We've been out in Herriman for about 25 years, and we love the community, we love the people out here, and we love just interacting. To have a center like this, it's taken almost 200 volunteers, and to be a part of it, to see the community come together, to see those willing to step in and help. I mean, everyone that's here is just doing it their own free will and accord. There's no one that's getting paid, and to see the community come together like that, it's been pretty humbling, pretty awesome.
Do you think that?
You can come there if you want. Really, the bottom line is we prayed about it. And we just really felt strongly that this was something that we could take on. We really maybe didn't have quite the understanding of what it would entail, but it's been just miraculous. It's been an entire community coming together to help their neighbor. And it's just been a beautiful thing, and it's been special to be part of. And just if you look around the center, every single thing was donated, whether through monetary donations or just donations that people have brought. It's just amazing what has come about in just a few short months.
We had a lot of service and time donation, and when we started, we had no idea the need this community had for a resource like this. And so as we've dove into it, as we've started to get to know the students that are coming, it's just been awesome to see the great need and then our opportunity.
And so, how has it been getting to interact with these students and people that utilize the program, and people finding the help they need?
I think they are just so humbled that there would be a community that would really just reach out and give everything they had. We are just all about education. We can't help with the physical resources, but we can educate, and that's our main goal here at Columbus. And so they're the sweetest people, and we're so grateful. They know it's an amazing opportunity. We are well over capacity, so we cannot help any other people, unfortunately, in time. But it's just been awesome to see what can happen when you work together.
Yeah, and it's volunteer based. So as we've been working 6 months to get this open and get all the volunteers in place, and now that we're open and we see how great the need is and how many people really want this resource, now we're going to start asking for more volunteers, because the more volunteers we get, the more classes we can have, the more people will be able to help that are on this waiting list, that are just excited and hoping that they can make it into the campus.
Yep. And it will take an entire community as well as for donations. So we are happy to spread the word that it is all funded just from the community. And so people can donate at columbusaec.org. And if they want to be part of this, they can come and volunteer, and it's an amazing organization.
And so kind of walk me through what are some of the classes and services that y'all really get into here.
So we have 6 different sessions that we offer for English classes. They're 2.5 hours each, and the students are required to be there 5 hours every single week. So it's a pretty intensive program. We have childcare on a couple days a week so that they can come during the day and in the evening. And then we also, in those youth programs, will teach the children as well to work on those English skills and conversation skills. We also have a teenager program where they get to come and have a safe place to be and just meet friends and have support. So really from 0 on up, we help them in the ways that they need.
And we have a registration process, so we meet with them and we understand where they're at, how, what their need is in speaking English, and some are already pretty fluent and just need a little additional help, and then there's quite a few that are just starting at ground level, 0, and so we go through that process with them, with the registration, and after we have the registration process, then we'll assign them to whatever class fits their need and their level the best.
All right, last question for you. What does it mean, what is your biggest hope for the future of this program?
Yeah, that's a good question, because as we've started without having really any understanding of what we could do and where this was going, we've seen how many people want and need this resource. And without advertising, without spreading the word, we're beyond capacity. So I think what we're looking for is enough volunteers to just open this up and maximize every moment of the day to help as many people here as we can. But then we're also doing it in a way where we hope that this model can help other communities, and they can open up similar campuses in communities all around the state of Utah to offer the same resource and provide the same opportunity.